In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent logo using Canva. This is an essential design skill that can really enhance the professionalism of your brand, as transparent backgrounds make your logos adaptable to a variety of different applications, like websites, merchandise, or marketing materials. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll need to access your Canva project. Go ahead and open up a web browser and navigate to Canva. Once you're there, log in if you haven't already, and locate your project that contains the logo you want to modify. If you're new to Canva, you'll find that the platform is very intuitive with its drag and drop features, making it really user-friendly for beginners and experts alike. Now that you've opened up the project, we can move on to the next step. Now let's make your logo transparent. Look for the Share button on the top right of your screen. This is where we'll start. In Canva, sharing isn't just about letting others view your work, but it's also how you download your designs. Once you click on Share, you'll see several options for downloading. It's here you'll want to focus on setting up your file types. Ensure that the file type is set to PNG. PNG is crucial because it supports transparency, unlike JPEG, which doesn't allow for transparent backgrounds and would display your logo with a solid color background instead. Beneath the file type options, there should be a checkbox for transparent background. Make sure this box is checked. This step is what will remove the background from your logo, leaving only the design itself visible when applied to other materials. This feature is especially useful when you need your logo to fit seamlessly on various platforms and backgrounds without any unsightly borders or blanks. Once everything is set, go ahead and click the Download button. Your logo will download to your computer with its sharp lines and transparent background perfectly preserved. And just like that, you have a professional quality logo that you can now use wherever you need. This simple process of creating a transparent PNG file from Canva can make a huge difference in how your logo is presented to your audience. Now, as you employ your new logo across various media, it will adapt and blend perfectly, enhancing your branding consistently and professionally. That's it for today's guide. This quick and easy method will help you ensure that your logos always look their best, no matter where they're displayed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful content like this.